The Witch Sisters.
Jet.
What you are looking at is the castle of the Witch Sisters. Let's go inside and visit with them. Hello, little witch sister. Oh my, what's wrong? You're quite upset. Can I help? Let's find Big Witch Sister. She'll know what to do. I don't see Big Witch Sister in here.
That's what I've been trying to tell you. Big Sister is out of town and is about to get a big award, and I'm going to miss it.
Why don't you just get on your broom and fly there?
I'll never make it there in time. My broom isn't fast enough.
I'm so sorry. I suppose the only way you could make it there would be if you took a jet.
Jet, you say? Handful of witch dust, pinch of love, whole of donut. Magic brew, do what you do. Make my spell turn out well. I will spell the word and you will see, in a few moments, a jet is what I will be.
Jet is spelled J-E-T.
Jet, W-E-T.
Just wait a second.
No time for that. Jet, W-E-T.
You might be jumping into this too quickly.
Jet, W-E-T. Oh, I see what just happened here. I just spelled the word wet, and that's what I am now.
Exactly. Jet is spelled J-E-T. Wet is spelled W-E-T.
It's kind of refreshing, actually.
It's the next day. Let's check in with the Witch Sisters.
I got home last night with my big award. I won it for doing the best duck calls.
It all worked out. I got a bar of soap, and I have never smelled sweeter.
Oof! You're dry again.
Yay! Sister Dan!